Alright, let's use Wireshark to capture some encrypted network traffic. I'm going to start by opening up the Start menu and clicking on the Wireshark program under Recently Added. As soon as I click Ethernet 0, it's going to start bringing in the traffic, and it's not just my traffic, it's traffic all over the network, so there's going to be a lot of information available. So I'm going to double click on Ethernet 0, and you can see the traffic has already started to come in. I'm going to go over to Google Chrome, type in portal.tstc.edu. I want to log in with my web advisor credentials. So this is me using HTTPS to log into a remote server. I'm going to click sign in. And I've been able to successfully sign in, so I'm going to go back to Wireshark and click the green rectangle so that I can see. And throughout the span of just those several seconds, you can see all this traffic went across the network. At home, you may not have nearly this much traffic, but this is what I can see just happened on my network. There's a lot of traffic here to go through. One of the things that helps me is to pull up a command prompt and do an ipconfig and look again for my IPv4 address, which is 216.134.110.30. So then I can kind of see that I'm the source address in this instance. So I can kind of look between source and destination and figure out where this traffic is happening. I really want to look for this protocol TLS version 1.2. It could be a different version of TLS, but that's what this particular web page is showing. So this is my IP address, and this is the TSTC server that authenticated me and signed me in, and you can see that it's got an encrypted alert on it, meaning that this TLS traffic, which is HTTP with encryption, has been encrypted, and I can see that by looking down here. If you click on the packet, you can see here's all the headers that you would normally see in a packet on the network. That it's TCP, your source port, destinations, your sequence number. You can see that this is SSL, TLS, the traffic is encrypted, and then you can see this right here. So this is the actual data that went over the network. This is the ones and zeros essentially that were sent. And you can see based on this, you know this data is encrypted because you can't make sense of it. There's nothing you can read, there's no words, so you can't tell my username or password based on this traffic because it is encrypted.